Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Elevate Styles. I am Treasure and I'm here with another review. So I am going to be reviewing from Sister Line, and this one we're going to be doing a water wave. So in this color, it is like a sombre burgundy. So we're going to have like an ombre of like dark root into that burgundy-ish color. That's all that means. It is a lace front. And just focus in on this so you can see. This is a lace front and it is water wave. This baby better be pretty. And it does come with natural baby hairs on it, so that's a plus. Yeah, we ain't gonna worry about that. So this is the girl. I really like the color. It's like dark, but it also is vibrant. So I really like that, and I do like that it has the dark roots. The curl pattern is the bomb. So here it is up close. The lace is dark, but I'm just gonna go ahead and assume it's dark because of the company is for like women of color. It has longer baby hair, so it is the lace front, ear to ear, 2 tuck combs on the side, 1 in the back. Okay, sis, hold on. 1 in the back along with the adjustable straps in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop. You know what? I'm lying. Let me just go ahead and brush these baby hairs back. I'm actually gonna take the lace off of this for you guys. It's only right. So get you a good pair of scissors. Don't handle them like I just did. Be safe. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of this baby. And I do not cut like in a straight line. I cut it as jagged as I can so that it can lay good. And it's not like a straight line straight across. But I also keep it very close to like the knots, you see? Like very close to the knots, if you can see that. Okay. Lace is on. Alright, so this is the wig without the lace on the front of it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this on. I did go ahead and adjust those straps. Okay, I like the color. And that was easy. I literally just took the lace off and popped it on. So it does have a middle part on it. It does have the baby hair still on it, but I'm not gonna pull the baby hairs out, nor am I gonna cut them because I may want them at a later date, but I just don't want them with it right now, just simply because the baby hairs are black and the hair is red. So yeah, I would rather just not. I would just rather keep it how it is. So here's the curl. Here's the curl. I'm just pushing it in my face so you can kind of get an idea. And it's really pretty. Now it is like blue blend for me. I'm pretty short. So this is it. This is really cute. Let's see. Yes. So cute. Alright, so this is the wig, and this is very cute. This color is the bomb. It's nice and curly. It wasn't like, it's not tangly at all, but of course if you try to separate it you might get a little tangle like I just did when I was trying to put it behind my ear or whatnot. So I am going to go ahead and add the link down below. It's going to take you over to the store so you can get this one started. This one also comes in the natural colors. It does come in other colors like a sunrise or rose gold, whatever you want. That link is going to be there. Here's another one. You see, if you can see at the bottom, there's a lot of different colors. And once you click that link, it's going to take you directly over to this wig on the website, and you can choose whoever you decide you want to be. Okay, so today I wanted to be spicy, so I'm giving you spicy. Yes. So until next time, boom 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 boom, I am Treasure, and I'm going to see you on the next review. Bye.